Surviving in space for months is not just a scientific feat, it's a daily, high-stakes dance with danger in an environment where one mistake can mean the end. Aboard the International Space Station, astronauts orbit Earth at over 28,000 kilometers per hour, suspended in a realm that offers no gravity, no breathable air, no flowing water, and no natural protection from radiation. Everything begins years in advance, on Earth, with intensive training programs designed to prepare astronauts physically, mentally, and emotionally for the extreme challenges ahead. They're taught to operate complex spacecraft systems, respond to emergencies, perform scientific experiments in microgravity, and stay calm in total isolation. Once in space, even the simplest needs become engineering marvels. Oxygen, for example, isn't just available. It's manufactured through electrolysis, where water is split into hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is carefully scrubbed from the air to prevent buildup, and every breath is monitored. Water, too, is an incredible achievement. Since it's too costly to launch in large quantities, astronauts rely on a sophisticated closed-loop system that recycles moisture from sweat, urine, and exhaled breath into clean, drinkable water. So pure, it often surpasses Earth's drinking standards. Food is specially engineered, freeze-dried, and vacuum-packed for storage efficiency and safety. It's rehydrated and eaten carefully to prevent floating crumbs, which could damage delicate equipment or float into an astronaut's eye. Without refrigeration or ovens, meals are often lukewarm and bland, but nutritional value is strictly maintained. Even adding salt and pepper is done with liquids to prevent dangerous airborne particles. Hygiene becomes another form of science. There are no showers, so astronauts use rinseless wipes and waterless shampoo. Waste is managed with air suction toilets, where solid waste is sealed for disposal and liquid waste is often purified back into the water supply. Gravity, or the lack of it, affects every part of the body. Bones weaken, muscles shrink, and fluids shift upwards, making faces puffy and causing nasal congestion. To fight this, astronauts exercise daily using resistance machines, treadmills with bungee cords, and stationary bikes to preserve their strength and prevent long-term damage. But beyond the body lies the challenge of the human mind, possibly the hardest part of long-duration spaceflight. Astronauts live in a confined space, away from family, fresh air, sunlight, and privacy, often for 6 months or more. Mental fatigue, cabin fever, and emotional stress are serious risks, which is why psychological stability is treated with the same care as physical health. Astronauts have daily schedules filled with a mix of scientific tasks, exercise, communication, and leisure. They connect with their families through regular video calls, send emails, watch movies, read, write journals, play instruments, and celebrate holidays in their own small way. Birthdays are marked with digital wishes, and sometimes a special treat from a supply ship. Sleep, too, is different. They float inside sleeping bags strapped to the wall, using eye masks to block out constant light and earplugs to quiet the endless hum of machinery. Since the station orbits Earth 16 times a day, astronauts experience multiple sunrises and sunsets within 24 hours, which disrupts natural sleep rhythms, so everything is carefully timed according to Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. Behind them, Mission Control monitors their health, mood, and safety around the clock, ready to intervene the moment something goes wrong. Emergencies like cabin leaks, fires, or system failures are constantly rehearsed, ensuring astronauts can react with precision and calm. When spacewalks are needed, grueling, dangerous tasks outside the station, astronauts wear advanced suits that serve as personal spacecraft, equipped with oxygen tanks, cooling systems, and communication tools. Each spacewalk lasts 6 to 8 hours and requires months of planning, immense physical endurance, and absolute trust in the team. Yet, despite the isolation and challenges, astronauts carry a powerful sense of purpose. They conduct groundbreaking experiments on how microgravity affects biology, physics, and medicine, data that can help improve life on Earth and prepare us for deeper space exploration. They look out the window and see our fragile blue planet suspended in a sea of darkness, a view so moving that many describe it as life-changing. Their survival isn't just a victory of technology, It's a testament to human determination, teamwork, and imagination. By mastering life in the most uninhabitable environment, astronauts are not just pushing boundaries, they're rewriting them, proving that with vision, precision, and courage, humans can endure far beyond the world we were born into.